Yeah! Look how easy that was. Showed you 2 seconds how to use the fucking thing. Now she's banging out.
He just made me horny and I got good.
Horny?
Because he's all rubbing on me.
She said I'm horny, now I'm good.
Well,
3 in a row. There you go. Yeah.
He's gotta rub up on me again. I did 3 in a row, Shannon.
Because she's horny now.
Because Eric rubbed up on me.
No.
You want to pull this forward?
Right there. Wait. Yeah. Just push that down. Oh, keep it. Very smoothly. Use your thumb. Your whole thumb. That's it. Push it. It's not gonna bite you. Hey. Go. Oh shit. Hold on. Hold this. Uh-oh. Look out.
Who's bleeding, me or you?
How did that happen?
You're like bleeding a lot.
Oh.
Where are you bleeding?
My finger. Where'd that happen?
If I really loved you, I'd lick this blood off my finger, but I don't think I'm that nasty. Wait, I'm recording still. There's Eric's blood on my hand. Ready? This is how much I love him.
Turn